Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like this video, leave a comment down below, and also share this video. So in today's video, I'll be showing you guys how I make my fenugreek and chebe powder infused hair butter. And as you can see, my hair, I have quite a lot of new growth on my hair. My hair is 5 months post relaxer, and I'm not yet going to relax it right now. So today I'll be showing you guys how I make my butter and how I apply it to my hair. So if this is something you are interested in, then keep on watching this video and make sure you watch till the end to see how I do it. So guys, as you can see, my hair is becoming so hard to handle because of the new growth, and what I'm doing right now is to check the length of new growth I have on my hair. And you can't even see my scalp just because my hair is overgrown. I have a lot of new growth right now. So I'm going to try to detangle it a little bit before I start doing this video. So first, I'm going to show you guys how I make my hair butter, and the first thing I'm going to use for this hair butter is fenugreek seed. You can also add fenugreek powder if you have. I used both the fenugreek seed and the fenugreek powder, so I'm going to use fenugreek seed. The next thing is olive oil, and the next thing is my chebe powder, and also I'm using karkar oil as well. First, I'm starting by using my fenugreek seed. I'm going to put my fenugreek seed into a jar, and then I'll go ahead to measure out my olive oil. I'm going to add about 2 tablespoons of olive oil. You don't really need a particular measurement for this. You can just eyeball this and put as much as you want. So I'm going to add my olive oil, and then I'm going to try to double boil this for at least 15 to 20 minutes or 1 hour, depending on how much time you have. So the next thing I added to this fenugreek seed is coconut oil. So if you don't have coconut oil and olive oil, you can use any oil of your choice. If you have grapeseed oil, you can also use grapeseed oil to infuse this. And as you can see, I added a little drop of grapeseed oil to my fenugreek seed. And now the next thing I'm going to do is to use a separate bowl to mix my chebe powder. So I'm using 1 tablespoon of chebe powder, and I'm going to infuse it using karkar oil. So I used olive oil and coconut oil for the fenugreek seed, and for this chebe powder I'm using karkar oil because you all know karkar oil and chebe powder go very well together. And then I added a little drop of sunflower oil to it. Now I'm going to double boil both of them. I'm going to double boil for at least 20 to 30 minutes. You can double boil for up to 30 minutes or more depending on what you want, but make sure you do it on low heat. Make sure you do it on low heat. So this is what it looks like after double boiling, and I'm going to go ahead to leave this to infuse for at least 24 hours or 48 hours. Now this is the 3rd day after infusing my oils. I'm going to use my shea butter and mango butter, and I'm going to melt them. So after melting, I'm going to mix the fenugreek infused oil and the chebe infused oil into my shea butter. And as you can see, I am adding my fenugreek powder into it. And after adding, you just have to mix it until it mixes up together. So guys, if you have a hand mixer or hand blender at home, you can as well use it to make life easier for you. You can use it to mix this thing faster. So guys, the next thing you're going to do after mixing this thing properly is to put it into your fridge or freezer and allow it to freeze. So I did mine for about 20 minutes, and this is it out of the fridge after 10 minutes. That's why you're seeing water on top of it. It's unfreezing right now. That's why you can see water on top of it. So the next thing you're going to do is to get a hand mixer or hand blender, something you can use to whip this into a butter. So I'm going to go ahead to whisk this and mix it until I am okay with the texture. And one tip I'm going to give you guys, if you feel it is too thick for you and you don't like how thick it is, you can add a little bit of glycerin into it, or add a little bit of rose water to soften it a little bit. So go ahead and whip as much as you like, and You guys should just go ahead and watch me whip it. I'll show you guys what it looks like after whipping it. So I am currently done. This is what it looks like. You guys, this thing looks yummy. So I can't wait to apply this to my hair. This is what it looks like after waxing. I think I'm going to use this at least twice before it's finished. And now I'm going to go straight to section my hair into 2 or 3 parts and start applying. But before I start applying this to my hair, I'm going to try to detangle my hair with aloe vera and my conditioner mixed together. I just did a mixture that I normally do it to detangle my hair whenever I want to. So I'm going to try to detangle my hair, and I'm going to stop talking so you guys can watch me do what I'm doing right now. Wishes me a good night. We stand on the sideline, alone we walk alone. So yes, I know I tried. So guys, at this point I just wanted to pour everything on my hair because my hair was so difficult to handle. I feel like I have a lot of hair and I don't even know how to saturate it enough. Guys, as you can see, I started by applying it to my ends. I applied a generous amount to my end because they are the weakest part of my hair, and I'm going to apply it thoroughly throughout my hair. And after that, I'm going to cover it with a shower cap or a plastic bag, whichever one you have. I'm going to cover it up for at least 30 minutes, or I may end up carrying it for hours just because I am not going anywhere. And then I'm going to wash my hair and put my hair into a protective style. And when I'm going to weave my hair, I'm also going to use this hair butter to weave my hair properly so that it can stay on my hair. So after combing my hair, I'm going to twist it, and I'm going to do the same thing to all the parts of my hair. So I'm going to stop talking right now and just let you guys watch what I do. Finally done, and I just covered my hair with a shower cap, and I'm going to leave this for as long as possible, and then I'll wash my hair and put my hair into a protective style. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.